Most product teams struggle with scattered feedback, disconnected workflows, and users feeling left in the dark. Valuable insights get lost, and product growth stalls. That's where the Userback Ideas portal comes in, your central hub to gather, manage, and act on feedback while keeping your customers in the loop. Create a streamlined feedback hub right inside your app. With the portal embedded in your feedback widget, customers can share ideas, feature requests, and comments in the same place they already give feedback, so nothing gets missed. If you prefer a standalone space, you can also redirect them straight to your Ideas portal. Engage your community. Let customers comment, upvote, and share ideas in the portal. When users feel heard, you get stronger insights and build momentum around your product. Share your product roadmap. Highlight what's in progress, planned, and completed. Transparency builds trust, reduces duplicate requests, and keeps everyone aligned on your product journey. Announce key releases and updates. Keep your users informed without waiting for them to ask, and celebrate wins along the way. Finally, close the loop. When you mark an idea as completed, Userback automatically prompts you to notify everyone who voted. It's a simple way to thank customers, show their voice matters, and turn feedback into lasting loyalty. Break the feedback silo, engage your community, and turn insights into action. Add an Ideas portal to your feedback workflow today and see the impact for yourself.